Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. Chris, thanks a lot for everything. I'm 3 or 4 months in the group. I've turned $4,000 into 65 grand. 65 G's out of 4,000. It's more than 10x. He more than 10x'd his money in the group. This person, I'm up $10,000 in the last week. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. This is Tezos, up 72%. You can see here's the setup posted. Here's 52% out of link. Again, bought the breakout down here. Here's the setup. Here's Ethereum, 57% gains out of Ethereum. Here's the setup. Bitcoin Cash broke out 60% gains over time. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump in this video, I want to ask you guys to smash the like button for me. If you came into cryptocurrency to make life-changing money because you want to quit your day job, you want to spend more time with your family, you want to make life-changing money, subscribe to this channel. I'm going to keep you updated daily with the news that moves the markets, the important news, Bitcoin technical analysis, free altcoin setups that'll help you make profits in this market. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin at 11,619. This is a 1 hour chart. So the price action broke lower out of this yellow rising wedge previously. Came back down here. We put this double bottom in. Now we talked about this rising wedge idea on the RSI, as well as, there's a rising wedge here, obviously, on the price action too. What's happening is the price action is getting rejected by this key resistance level, 11,800, which we talked about all of this previously. Okay, and then we have these support levels, which, again, if the bulls don't show up here and push this price back into this pattern, back above this yellow trend line, or above 11,800, you have to look at some of these levels for move to the downside. Okay, so very important the bulls show up here. Now, if we zoom in, again, these are lower time frames, but this is what I'm looking at. Lower time frames, smaller patterns, smaller moves, but the bigger moves start on smaller time frames here. The bulls need to push higher to avoid this double top. Okay, again, double top confirmation would be down here. However, you do have downside breakout volume, and then this rising wedge broke to the downside. Now, if this is a bearish retest and it gets confirmed, which, if it doesn't break back up into the pattern, you could expect some downside. Now, this is a small rising wedge, but again, the moves start on the smaller time frames. And so if this happens, you could come down here, hit about 11,400. And if it continues lower, like we talked about, then you're looking at these potential targets. Okay, so again, bulls have got to show up here. Some type of retracement completely in the cards would be completely normal, healthy for the price action, allows a lot of these indicators in the higher term time frames to cool off. But again, bulls, where are you at? Bitcoin bulls? Anyone? Anybody seen the bulls? Show up. Everybody call your whale friends. Call your whale friends. Tell them to buy Bitcoin. Look at this. This is tether dominance, right? Tether dominance is mooning. What does this mean? So you see Bitcoin rolling over, and then everybody's jumping into tether. I've got some amazing shout outs from my trading group. Very proud of everybody. Very proud of you guys for the amount of learning and earning that we've been doing. It's phenomenal. Basically stated, I've been in the group for 3 weeks, and I want to say because of your videos and I've learned so much and your TA, I'm up 125% on my portfolio. Are you kidding me? Like, people are coming into the group, and we're seeing people that have been in the group for a little bit, 3x, 5x, 10x gains. It's amazing. Like, if you're in some of these larger cap coins and you're not seeing a whole lot of profits, you might want to consider making a change. You've got to adjust your strategy to what this market is giving us. And these DeFi coins, these smaller mid caps, have been outperforming the world. Man, it's amazing. Now, this person said, thanks for the life-changing skill, Chris. What a week. I turned $35,000 into $48,000. She made $13,000. Thank you. Life-changing money for me and my kids. Awesome. This person stated, dude, TRB made people over 100% in 36 hours. That's good money. 100% gains, 36 hours. Next person, TRB, up $6,300 in profit. Sent me his entire breakdown. He was up 26% on this trade for TRB. If you're not making the money in this market that you want to, the potential's here. You guys see it from me every day. Go to cryptorev.net. Link is in the description. Get you set up in the trading group today. BAL. I gave you guys this setup 10 days ago. Balancer. Probably most people don't even know what Balancer is, but it's a DeFi project. So this is a new coin on Binance. These have been outperforming the entire market. Balancer. So we bought this breakout right here. This is a setup I gave you guys, right? Looking for this retest. Got this retest as well. 89% max gains. Now, more importantly, this is the trading idea here. You've got this bull flag, okay? And, here's your targets up here. You want to buy the breakout of this bull flag. Okay, so keep an eye on Balancer. Huge gains, 10 days, 89% profits. RSR, so I gave you guys this, 25%, quick 25% gains. I think it took 24, 48 hours for that to happen. Another idea that validates DeFi is, man, listen, we'll figure it out later if this is going to be sustainable, if this is going to happen, if this is going to work. Right now, get your money. This is the easiest money you're going to make in crypto, period. This is it. Don't let this pass you by. If you are not on Binance right now today, go make a Binance International account. If you're in the United States, sign up for PureVPN. You've got to get part of this money that's coming into this market. Justin Sun came out and Tron pumped on this news. I'm glad to announce that we have decided Sun Genesis Mining. Sun, just like Justin Sun, he's got JST, Just token. He's got Sun Genesis Mining. It's manifesting total community self-governance. It's a living demonstration in the coalescence of encryption with artistic expression. Tron strategically partners with Band Protocol for scalable Oracle technology and extensive integrations. Boom. 99.87 Bitcoin thrown at Tron in an instant when this news was posted. Life-changing money for Justin Sun. He knows how to pump his coins. He's a billionaire. Swipe is thrilled to announce the integration of on-demand gift cards powered by 30 cryptocurrencies. Users are going to be able to buy gift cards from over 100 global retailers directly in the Swipe Wallet app with up to 10% cash back. Big news for Swipe. Cody Pay, Viper is live. Cody is a midterm hold that we've been in. We're up several 100% on Cody. It's going to have a good run to the end of the year because there's a ton of news. So, if you're looking at a midterm hold idea, you got to find a good entry. This doesn't mean, hey, buy now. You got to, buy in a pullback, buy in a breakout or retest of a pattern. They've got staking 2.0 is going to be added to the wallet before the next staking cycle begins on October the 1st. So staking 2.0 coming now. As the year progresses, they're going to be adding features such as iOS, Android native apps, multi-asset support. Listen to this, optimized fiat on-ramp, one-click payments. Let me say this real slow. DeFi. One more time. DeFi. And a virtual debit card. Listen, Cody, Moon Edition. Get ready, guys. I've been talking about this. How many times a day do I, well, not a day, but how many times a week do I talk about Cody? Moon Edition. Binance Smart Chain adopts Ontology Network to decentralized identity solution for security tokenization. Binance Chain partners with Ontology. Here's a great setup for you guys. Possibly this breaks out higher. You want to buy the breakout to the upside. Essentially, you've got a bull pennant here. Okay. This is DOT. There's a lot of upside. You know, when you want to think, hey, what coins to hold for an extended period of time? Again, it's not, hey, buy now. I mean, you want to buy the breakout here. But DOT has some tremendous upside over time. Okay, it's already had an amazing run recently. So Chromia has green assets wallets. It's the world's first platform for easy validation and impact reporting of green bonds built on the Chromia mainnet. It was accepted to the MasterCard Lighthouse Massive Program. Congratulations, Chromia, in the news. Ardor. So I talk to you guys about Ardor all the time. They've got a hard fork September the 22nd coming up. Okay, so this upgrade is going to be completed, and the mainnet upgrades are going to be instituted because of this hard fork. So again, I gave you guys to set up ARDR Bitcoin. Lots of news on this one. You buy the breakout here. What happened? Boom. You know it. Move to the upside. Man, this market right now has been strong. You got to see what Bitcoin does. ADX staking roadmap. Got to put this one on your radar. Here's the setup. You know, looking for a retest or buying the breakout of this level. Here's the targets over here. ADX. If you do not know how to trade these setups, do not just buy now and blindly just throw your money at these setups, right? You got to manage risk. You got to set stop losses. You got to be smart about this, right? Check this out. ADX staking roadmap. So staking's coming. Ding, ding, ding. That's good. Then it says Uniswap liquidity provider pools. There's a new staking pool to stake Uniswap LP tokens and earn ADX rewards. And then, let me throw this name at you. Chainlink, Uniswap Chainlink, and then Polkadot, third-party validator pools. These are big names for ADX. Keep an eye on this ticker. MDT, boy, cup and handle season. Look at this perfect cup and handle. Look, cup and handle. Boy, it started booming. I'm like trying to post this chart, trying to draw the chart. It starts taking off on me. Guess what happened? Boom, like 25% gains after I posted the chart. Sometimes I'm just not fast enough. This price action just exploded here. But again, max gains 25% out of that setup. The total value locked in DeFi is booming. Look at this chart. Look, this is not, hey, DeFi is here for a minute. DeFi is going to be strong. It's going to fuel the entire bull run. Watch this. And I'll give you guys another example of why I think that's going to happen. But Aave dominance, which is lend makes up a huge portion of the total value USD in DeFi. Okay, so keep an eye on lend. We're going to talk about lend in just a second. Again, lend, remember, is 150x. You know, it's life-changing money comes when you hit 150x. Wow, Uniswap protocol, 24-hour trading volume. Now try to digest this. Okay. So maybe you haven't bought into the fact that DeFi is here to stay. Maybe you think that it's going to disappear tomorrow. Read this with me. Uniswap protocol, 24-hour trading volume is higher than Coinbase for the first time ever. Uniswap, 426 million. Coinbase, 348 million. Think about these numbers. Decentralized exchanges are the future. Like, this is going to fuel the bull market. Watch. It's hard to express how crazy this is. And here's the numbers. It was up 66% Uniswap trading volume in 24 hours. Coinbase Pro. Here you are. Man. It's very important there's a point where you have to say, you know what? Maybe holding these large caps is not the way to make the money. Maybe jumping on. Here, the problem is, and why when I talk about this to you guys, the herd always waits to the end. Like, the herd buys Link at $18. The herd buys Bitcoin at 14,000, at 13,000, at 20,000. The previous run-ups, they buy the top. You got to see this stuff before it happens. And I've been talking about this and trying to drive it home with you guys. And that's what I do. I repeat myself until you guys make life-changing money and get rich, period. TCT has a new roadmap coming up. New DeFi token airdrop for TCT holders. DeFi. Let's see what the DeFi effect is. They also have a new decentralized exchange coming like Uniswap. A lot of people are really taking a long-term hold idea to this. This is not, hey, buy now at all, right? This is like, hey, this just had a ridiculous run-up. Then they're integrating with Binance Smart Chain. That's the next hype. TCT, write that down. TCT, long-term hold idea, okay? I mean, just think about it. A new decentralized exchange, DeFi, Binance Smart Chain. Look at TCT in 2 days. Moon Edition, 240% max gains. 240. What would that do to your portfolio? I'm just curious. Anyone? Anybody? You would probably feel good about 240% gains because they're buying. They're buying. Why is YFI up? It 10x'd. It 10x'd in a month. The market always gives you new opportunities. You have to adjust to them. Dang it. Every time I post this stuff in group, I try to get these videos out. TRB, we already hit TRB for about 80% gains right here. We already hit TRB for 80% gains. Bitcoin's making moves, and TRB, which we just talked about, TRB, teller, buy the breakout of this falling wedge. Okay, so, potentially you want to look for a breakout above this level here. You want to buy a breakout above this level. A retest would even be better. If it comes up, breaks out, retests, there's a lot of upside here, okay? Some, might see 30, 40, 50% gains. Bitcoin has to cooperate, right? If Bitcoin doesn't cooperate, all bets are off. Everything changes, right? Bitcoin cooperates. So when you see possible bullish divergence on the histogram and the RSI, things are about to change. It's trying to change trends, right? And it happened. I think I could find this setup for you guys that I posted just a minute ago in the trading group. Sometimes I just can't believe how easy this market is to trade compared to what it used to be. I mean, this is the easiest money you can make in crypto. I can't even, I'm speechless sometimes. Like, it's just ridiculous. Tron strategically partners with Band Protocol for scalable Oracle technology and extensive integrations. They're bringing secure, this is huge, all right, because Band Protocol, potentially Chainlink version 2. People hate it when I say that, but I'm just saying, just so people understand, it's an oracle, right? So the idea here is they want to bring secure, verified, decentralized oracles to power its rapidly growing DeFi and decentralized application space. So Tron getting involved with DeFi, which they already have, but they kind of made a spin-off with the JST token. So both teams are solving the blockchain scalability issue. They've joined forces to bring high throughput, customizable, and decentralized oracles for all Tron developers, as well as various leading decentralized applications in the Tron ecosystem. They created a TRC20 band token specifically for Tron DeFi apps to utilize as a collateralized asset, store of value, medium of exchange, and more. The Tron Foundation is working closely with Band Protocol to integrate and secure all Tron applications covering enterprise, government, DeFi, betting games, RNG, and more that process millions of dollars in value and cumulatively have hundreds of thousands of users. Band Protocol is extremely proud to be the first external Oracle solution chosen to be integrated into Tron. TRB, Teller is an Oracle as well, similar to Chainlink, similar to Band, and it's very undervalued. Tron made a statement that the future of blockchain technology is bright. They're kicking off a series of Tron DeFi partnerships to come. A series, remember, Bitcoin CME futures. So there was a CME Bitcoin futures gap right here. So I was looking for the price action to pull back, fill this gap. Now, on this chart, I mean, you can see you got an expanding, broadening wedge. Clearly broke to the downside, got this bearish retest, then a double bottom. Okay, so I mean, there's potentially, this is a double bottom and this is a retest of support. If the bulls can hang on and push above this point of control, this red line, you could see some upside, but again, bulls have to show up here. That's the commonality. Otherwise, you have some downside and you're looking at these support levels for Bitcoin. Altcoin, alt BTC pairs do not perform well when Bitcoin's volatile, right? But if Bitcoin slowly trends lower, alt BTC pairs continue to be strong movers. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.